Today for our Home Project Toolkit series, we're diving into the rewarding project of building raised garden beds. It's a great way to spruce up the outside of your home and to make an outdoor living space that everyone can enjoy. To get started, you'll need a shovel for digging, a wheelbarrow for moving soil, a hammer for assembling the beds, and nails or screws to secure the pieces together. If you're creating larger raised beds, a post hole digger can help you easily dig the necessary holes for additional support. Once your frame has been constructed and you have ensured it is stable, it's time to start planting. Fill the raised garden beds with plenty of nutrient-rich soil so your plants can grow properly. Depending on what you are planting, make sure you research the proper distance between the seeds to help encourage a strong growth process. By utilizing these essential tools and following a few simple steps, you can create beautiful raised garden beds that elevate your home's value and bring an element of nature to the table. Create a space for outdoor enjoyment for both yourself and everyone who sees it. For more information, you can visit our website at hdcbuild.com.